Democrats have a funding proposal that cancels cruel cuts, lowers costs, and saves Americans' health care coverage. Our plan prevents 24 million Americans from enduring a massive 93% spike in their health care premium costs. How could any Republican vote for a funding bill with that kind of financial sledgehammer hanging over your constituents' heads? But Democrats' plan values families, not billionaires and big corporations. It prevents nursing homes from closing. It ensures 15 million Americans don't lose health coverage. Republicans refuse to sit down and figure this out, just like every family does at their kitchen table each week. Republicans are choosing to go it alone, no matter the consequences. So what Democrats will not do is support a partisan spending bill that guts health care for the American people. We will not support a plan that lets Trump freeze funds promised to our communities and hold up life-saving medical research, including for kids with cancer. Democrats will never support that. What we will support is our plan, which saves a family of four earning $64,000 a year from seeing their annual health care premiums go up by $2,571, or 197%. Democrats will support permanently extending health insurance tax credits to keep coverage affordable. What we will not do is make this Republican-created health care coverage crisis worse. We need to pass a budget that doesn't force Americans to raid their 401k, cancel vacations, or go to the pawn shop just to pay for skyrocketing premiums. In my state alone, more than 4 million people will feel the financial crunch from these higher premium costs, and they'll feel it each and every month. A quarter of the Americans facing higher premiums have a chronic illness they're managing, and these price spikes will also put 1.6 million children at risk of losing essential health care. How can any Republican claim to be a champion of small businesses and entrepreneurs when 3.3 million small business owners and self-employed workers would see premiums skyrocket? That will cripple startups and handcuff mom and pop shops across America. Budgets reflect values and priorities, and Republicans chose a spending plan that guts health care and lavishes the wealthy in big corporations. And that's the Republicans' choice that they must live with. But Democrats stand ready to pass a funding bill that cancels the cruel Republican spending cuts, lowers costs for everyone, and saves the health care coverage of millions of Americans. That's what Democrats fight for, and we will not support this Republican spending plan that drags families further into the health care crisis created by Republicans.